So we got this question. The ratio of fifth term from the beginning to the fifth term from the end in the binomial expansion of this is. So you have to find out the ratio. So you know that you are dealing with the leading term and the end term. Okay. So how we will respond? You will like you know that if I'll ask you to write down the fifth term from the beginning, you can easily write down that. But if I'll ask you to write down the fifth term from the end, you will hesitate a little bit. So to overcome that problem, what you should do, just interchange x and y and you will get things done. Okay. So suppose that a is 2 power 1 by 3 and b is 2 times, sorry, it is not 2 times, it is 1 by, है ना? So it is 1 by 2 times 3 power 1 by 3. So this is your A and this is B. Okay. Now for fifth term from the beginning, I'll go with this expansion. Okay. Here the fifth term is, sorry, the power is 10. So look at this required ratio. Required ratio is, we want fifth term, so the you know that the lower subscript of c would be 4, है ना? So 10 c 4 and always go with a and b. It becomes easy to simplify those things. So you will be writing a, you will be writing b. You know that the second term b, second element b, takes the power as the lower subscript of c. So it is 4. Now, the power of the variable, sum of power of variable is always n. So, a will take power 6. Correct? Now, for the fifth term from the end, what we will do, we will just interchange the location of a and b. Okay? And we will treat b as the first variable and a as the second variable, and we got things done. So again fifth term from the start. So fifth term from start of this thing will become fifth term from the end of this thing. Okay. So it will become 10c4 b a. Now a will take power 4 and b will take power 6. We can go through the simplification part. This thing gone, this thing and this thing gone, this thing and this thing gone. So we are left with a by b power 2. Okay. Now let's do the simplification little bit more. So who is a? A is 2 power 1 by 3. Who is b? It was 1 by, है ना? So it will become 1 by, the things will go to the numerator part, into 2 times 3 power 1 by 3 and whole power is 2. Okay. Now, so if you'll observe this and this, okay, the power is same. So if power is same, base will be multiplied. So can I write it is 6 power 1 by 3, 6 power 1 by 3 into 2 power 2. So can I write this thing as 4 into 6 power 2 by 3. So the required ratio is this. I hope you got the approach and you can handle similar situations. Okay.